Conversation between father and son about publishing school results.
Krish. Where are you?
Here I am, Dad. Good morning.
Good morning. Where were you?
I was in the room.
Okay.
Did you know, Dad? What day is it today?
It is Monday today.
What date is it today?
It is the 15th of May. But what happened? Is there anything special today?
Today my results will be published.
Oh! I see. I really forgot about it. By the way, advanced congratulations.
Thanks, Dad.
At what time they publish their results?
The director of examination will announce by 10 o'clock.
Go and buy the newspaper at 10 o'clock.
Nowadays no need to buy newspaper.
Then how will you know the results?
We can see the results through the internet, even with marks.
Oh! I see. But in the newspaper, you can see only the results.
Dad, let's go to my room to check my results.
Let's go. What is the website address?
Let me refer. www.thenextresult.com. Let me type the address.
Do you know your register number?
Yes. Dad.
Now check your result.
Dad, I have got 90 up in maths, physics and chemistry.
Wow! I can't believe it. What is the total marks?
1178 out of 1500. I think I am the school topper.
Congratulations. Let me take sweets for you to sweeten your mouth.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.